Hi! In this video, we'll show you how to bulk invite users into Payhawk. The goal of the bulk is to invite all of them at the same time. Now, let's log into the platform and open the Employees module. Click on the three dots and select Import. In this Import module, you can select Employees, and if you want to add users, select Add Only. The steps are the following. You generate the template, you fill it in and upload it back. It's simple and quick. When you open the template, you will see several columns. Please don't change the template structure. Keep the columns exactly as they are, no extra columns or renaming. The only mandatory field is the company email. This is the email used for Payhawk login. Everything else is optional, but let me tell you some tips to make it work smoothly. For phone numbers, don't forget the international prefix like +44 and also add an apostrophe beforehand. There are a few extra fields that can make your imports more powerful. For example, you can add an external ID from your external system. You can choose if the user should receive an invitation email from the dropdown. And you can leave the user ID, status, and role fields empty because the system will autofill them for you. Once you're ready with the template, just upload it back into Payhawk, and all of your users will be created in bulk. It's that easy.